input. Connect a source that has plus 12 volt DC only when the ignition key is in the run and starting position. Lastly, cut off the oil and power system wire, either the fuel pump or ignition wire. Here we go. To locate the 12 volt positive wire, positive 12 volt DC, take your meter or your testing lamp to the wire while your key is not on the ignition and start locating it one by one. The one that gives 12 volts is your battery. One by one. This is your 12 volt battery. The color code is white striped blues, blue color. So you can make use of this wire as your battery for your tracker. This is 12 volts. How to locate 12 volts? Put your meter or your testing lamp with your razor blade or sharpening object